والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما. So we are going to start our first session of today's Quran class. So in first couple of minutes we have to revise the previous concepts, and we will look into this as we are on the fragments. There is someone with HDF. Is it known to that? Okay, Anusha.
Wait, this is Essen. Sorry, Essen. I'm just renaming. मैं वो change कर लेता
Okay,
हूँ
thank
office
you.
का.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Okay, Anusha.
Yes,
Yeah, Anusha, I will start with you today. First, can you please tell me the properties of ism? How many properties of ism?
properties of Islam, there's four.
Name them.
One is number, another one is gender, another one is type, and the last one is 1 minute. The last one.
Status. 1 minute is too much, Anusha.
What?
1 minute is too much. I can't wait for 1 minute.
Yeah, status.
Okay. So, and what is the difference between fragment and sentence?
A fragment is like a part of a sentence, but not like a full idea. But a sentence is like a complete idea.
So, how many fragments we have covered so far?
We have covered 2 fragments.
Name them.
صفة موصوف and مضاف إليه.
Okay. Can you please give me one example in Arabic that this is fragment?
Huh? Which one?
Any one example that in Arabic, any sentence you can say that this is fragment.
Okay, so as مضاف إليه بيت الله is مضاف. بيت is مضاف and مضاف إليه is Allah.
So Baytullah meaning?
بيت الله, a house of Allah. And صفة.
House of Allah. Okay.
Yeah, and صفة موصوف.
Okay, I will come to you, Anusha. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I would go to Ja'far Iqbal. Yeah, Ja'far. Ja'far has mic problem, I think, or he's not opening mic. Okay. I would go to Burak. Burak?
Yes.
Is there a problem with my mic or your? Okay. Burak, tell me Mudaf, properties of Mudaf.
Is there's 2 properties.
Okay, one is
it has to be light,
yes, number 2.
and the other one is it can't be heavy. No tanween.
What are you saying? Same thing you are saying it as number 2. You said it should be light. This is number 1.
Oh.
What's the second one? You are cheating and changing
no
this
al.
sentence into other thing.
There's no al.
There is no al. It does not take al. One is it should be light. What does it mean light?
Light means with no tanween.
With no tanween. Okay,
Or
and
no
also
noon.
one more thing. One more thing.
Also
Tanween.
mudaf ilay.
No, for the light. One is no tanween.
Oh
Second,
yeah, no tanween and no noon.
no noon, sounding noon. Okay, thank you very much. Okay,
Welcome.
I would go to Muhammad Ash'ar. Muhammad bin Ash'ar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. What is the correct how many properties of mudaf ilay? Conditions for mudaf ilay. Condition.
Condition for mudaf ilayh is 1. And
What is
there
that?
is one condition. It is always majroor.
Always majroor. Always majroor. Yes. Okay, thank you. And now I would go to, is there Ibrahim Farhan? No. Jafar, are you back?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Jafar. Okay, Jafar. Sifa Mawsuf is combination of verb and noun. Is it correct? Yeah, Jafar.
Yes.
So combination of verb and noun?
Yes.
No. These fragments, especially about mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, sifa mawsuf, we are talking about ism, that they are combination of ism, noun. Okay, I would go to Aqib Javed.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Aqib. Aqib, just about the sifa and mawsuf, would you please tell me something?
Sifa and Mawsuf.
Yes, sifa mawsuf. We say it's sifa mawsuf.
So yeah, so they both are noun.
Okay.
Mawsuf is the one that is described, and Sifa is description.
Yes. And what are the condition or characteristic which sifa mawsuf should have? What are the conditions for that? This is sifa and mawsuf. What should be? We have to take care of thing. What is that? Yes.
So the four properties
Yeah. 4 properties of.
Sifa should match the four properties of
Yeah, these
Mawsuf.
4 properties of ism, noun should match in both cases. If these both nouns matches in all 4 properties, what are those 4 properties?
Number, gender, type, status. Other
Number,
gens,
gender,
ism,
type, and
i'rab.
status. And in Arabic, we say what?
Other gens, Qism and Arab.
Yeah, this is very important here. Like in English, actually, this is language. Language in English, for example, we say beautiful car. Okay, but if I have more cars, I cannot say beautiful cars. But in Arabic, this is very important that the 4 characteristics, these 4 properties of noun match in both the cases. If they don't know, they are not the sifa mawsuf. Okay.
Okay.
So any example, just we have to remember, like in mudaf mudaf ilayhi, we should always have in our mind Rasulullahi, Baytullahi, and in here sifa mawsuf Baytun Kabirun, Baytun Kabirun, like this. Okay. Muslimun Salihun. So now we have just a little combination of sifa, mawsuf, and mudaf ilayhi comes sometime together. So thank you, Aqib. I would go to, yes, Brother Hamid. Brother Hamid, can I ask something?
Sure.
Thank
I will try to
This is
answer.
not exam, or just we are actually helping each other to recall
Yes.
the things we discuss. This is, we are doing tazkir. This is actually for everybody. There is no such exam. Only there is a quiz when our Dr. Abdul Khalik will ask us about that is, and that's also part of the preparation. Yesterday we did one thing, Brother Shahbaz taught us. I think this was azaba yawmin azimin.
Yes.
If I am not wrong, yes, azaba yawmin azimin. Yes. What is that grammatically? And then first you have to tell about the grammatically about this azaba yawmin azim. In the second session we said, and also just describe the grammar of that. Yes, this is this, and azaba yawmin.
Yawmin azim is mudaf ilay.
Again say yawmin.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
Yawmin azim is not mudaf. No.
That's good. Okay.
It has a tanween at the end of noon. So,
okay. See here. Azaba yawmin azimin. Let's try with the
Yawmin azimin is a sifa.
Yes, sifa mawsuf.
Sifa mawsuf.
Why you said this is sifa mawsuf? Why? Because
it follows all the
four properties of
properties
yawmin
are the
match
same.
with
Match.
azimin.
Yeah.
Yawmin azimin. So what is the
So-
translation for yawmin azimin?
Day, great
Great day.
a great day. A
A
great
great day. So what is yawmin? Basically ma'suf, and sifa is azimin.
azim.
Let's come to azab yawmin azimin.
Azaba is
Azab yawmin. Just
okay.
relate like that.
Azaba Yawmin Azim. Azaba is also the it's a sifa here.
Yeah, see here. Azab
A day.
yawmin.
A great day here.
See here. Is it sifa mawsuf? Azab yawmin.
Azaba, the punishment of a day.
So what is it? Sifa mawsuf azab yawmin?
Yes, I think it gets there. Yes.
No.
In sifa mawsuf, Hamid bhai, you just said that all properties of sifa should match with
Azab.
almost. So this is
No, it's
azab,
not.
and then no, it's not.
It's-
And in
it's
translation, you said punishment of. So it's mean azab yawmin is mudaf mudaf ilay. Okay.
Yeah.
So azaba yawmin azim. Yawmin azimin, you said that is sifa mawsuf, but azaba yawmin, that is mudaf mudaf ilayh. Then that's why you translate it as punishment of great day.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, thank you, Hamid bhai. Just we have to
Jazakallah.
focus, and with this, thank you very much for cooperating this. And this is again and again we will do that. Okay. I will start with Azhar bhai. Azhar bhai, can you please unmute the mic if possible? Otherwise,
Yes,
I have to
sir.
go. Walaikum
Assalamu
assalam,
alaikum.
Azhar bhai. Azhar bhai, can you please say this first?
Rasulullahil Kareem.
Rasulullahil Kareemi. Okay. Just first describe it grammatically, if try to do that. So we are actually talking about combination of sifa masuf and mudaf mudaf ilayh. Yes, please.
This is Rasulullahi is mudaf alai.
Okay.
Rasul is mudaf. Allah is mudaf alai.
Okay. What about the next part?
Next pass is sifat of Allah.
Yeah, that it's mean that is sifa masuf.
Yeah.
Allahi, al. Allah
Yeah.
is a proper noun, singular, gender, everything match.
Everything. Four
Status.
properties are matched.
So
Yeah.
translate it.
The messenger of honorable Allah.
MashaAllah, great Azhar bhai. So you said here, in this case, Allah and Al-Kareem, they are same. We have to check for all the four properties. They match. Yes, this is sifa masuf. But Rasulullahi, it is mudaf mudaf alayhi.
Match, yeah.
Normally we translate in mostly we
Yeah.
do of. So messenger of honorable Allah. So Azhar bhai, Sam, just read it first, please. Exactly.
Rasulullahil Kareem.
Okay, what is the difference? Any difference in reading?
Yes.
What is difference?
Difference is
Here it
majrur,
was Kareemi,
Marfu.
and here now it is
marfu over here. Yeah.
Kareemu. So now what would you say about the grammar of this? Very important thing.
The honorable messenger of Allah.
So here, what is sifa mausuf?
Sifa Masuf is over here. Allah.
Sifa
No,
mausuf.
sorry. Rasul and Kareem.
Kareem. Rasulu al-Karimu.
Rasul
Rasulu
al
al-Karimu.
Kareem.
Yeah.
And Rasul and Allah is same
And
mudaf alayh.
four properties matches here.
Rasul is proper.
Proper.
Al-Kareem.
Why Rasul is proper here? Because of
Allah.
Allah. This we have to recall the rule. We just in one sentence we said when there is a mudaf mudaf ilayh, if mudaf ilayh is proper, mudaf becomes proper. This is one of the reason for proper now. So this is proper now. Okay, and Now this Rasul
Because
is
Allah
proper
is
noun,
God.
Al-Karim is also. See here again, just translate it, please.
Which one? The second one?
Both. The first
Okay.
one.
Messenger of Allah, the honorable.
And here.
The honorable messenger of Allah.
MashaAllah, Azhar bhai. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we have to go for the next. This is very important. Everybody, just it needs practice, nothing else. I would go to Brother Iqbal, Shahid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Iqbal bhai. Just, can you please say it first? Then explain it in grammar. Yes, please. Again, please. Sorry, Iqbal bhai.
A house of great Allah.
Okay, now explain the grammar of this, please.
So this Baytullah is mudaf ilayh.
Okay.
And since Al-Azimi has kasra at the end, so that's why we have to match it with Allah.
Only with because of this kasra?
And also
all
because
four
of
properties.
the proper, it's proper.
Al mean proper noun. Allah is of course proper noun.
Yes. Yes.
And the status in the match and everything, singular, and everything. So this is, you said Baytullahi. This is Baytullahi. This is mudaf ilayhi, and Allahil Azimi is sifa mawsuf. So what is the translation again, please?
So a house of great Allah.
Okay, now in the second case.
Baytullahil Azim. So now
just for the audience, just see here, there is nothing changed. Just Arabs are changing. Due to change in Arab, translations are changing. So we have to be very careful in putting Arab. Okay, go ahead, Iqbal.
So in this case, we have Al-Azimu, the status, the properties of Ism are matched with Baytu, because Baytu is now proper because of Mudaf ilayh, and Baytu is singular, Al-Azim is singular, and it's also masculine singular and masculine singular Azim. Okay. So now the translation will be the great house of Allah.
Of Allah. So Baytullah is still mudaf ilayh, but Al-Azimu is this will be matched with Baytu, as Dr. Iqbal explained. This will come here. So this is the great house of Allah, and here house of the great Allah. Okay, next is, I would go to Brother Ijaz, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Ibadillah is Salihin.
Okay.
So Ibad, servants of Allah.
Ibadillahi
is servants of Allah.
So what is this Ibadillahi?
Ibadillah is mudaf ilayh. Ibad is mudaf and Allah is mudaf ilayh.
Okay, now we have one thing, as-Salihin. Where we can match with this? Is it with Allah or Ibad?
As-Salihin is righteous. So this would match with Ibad.
Okay. Why? Why not with Allah?
Just the meaning.
Yeah, that can be on any book, but now, mashallah, you are. So we have to think about that, whatever knowledge we just get in these days.
And as-Salihin is plural and Allah is singular, so they cannot be sifa mawsuf.
Yeah, so here Salihin is plural, Ibad is Salihin is plural, so it should match with Ibad. Okay. Ibadi is what? Marfu, majroor or mansub?
Ibadi is majroor.
Okay, what about Salihin?
As-Salihin, it's mansub.
Mansub and majroor both. Salihun, Salihin.
Yeah, mansub and majroor.
Okay, so it is, this time it is majroor.
It's majroor.
So it is sifa of what?
Sifa of Ibad.
So complete translation.
So righteous servants of Allah.
MashaAllah. What about here? What is the difference between those? Just looking at them, what is the difference you observed?
Now, as-Salihun here is marfu.
Instead of Salihin, now it is Salihun. Any other difference?
It's ibadu. Ibad is also marfu.
Here in the first case it was ibadi, and here it is ibadu. Yes?
Yeah. So ibadu is marfu, as-salihun is marfu. So ibadullah, servants of Allah, makes it a proper.
So still salihun is with ibad, but
yes.
now this is marfu, marfu.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Thank you very much,
still,
Ijaz bhai.
thank you.
Thank you. I will take one more example and then we have to go to brother Naeem.
Assalamualaikum.
Last, this one, can you please take this?
Ayatul Kitabil Mubin.
No, this one, last one.
Masjidul Madinatil Kabiru.
Okay, first explain the grammar of this place.
Masjidu and Al Kabiru is both are marfu, so this will be look like matching. No, one second.
Okay, they match. You said that Masjidu match with Al Kabiru, so this is Sifa Mawsuf. Okay, they match. But with Kabir there is Al. I did not see anything with Masjid.
Masjid is also because Al Madinati.
Yeah, because Masjidul Madinati is Mudaf Mudafilai, and we studied that if Mudafilai is proper, Mudaf is also proper. So Al, this is basically proper now. So Masjidu is matched with, so this is Sifa Mawsuf. Okay, can you please translate this?
The small Masjid of Medina.
Small?
Or Kabir is a big masjid of.
Big masjid of the city, or big
of
masjid of Al Madina. Madina meaning city, the big mosque of the city. What about here?
Masjidul Madinatil Kabiri. So this is the Al Madinati Al Kabiri is the Sifa Masu because.
Is it match?
Yeah, because 4 properties are matching.
All 4 properties? Are you sure?
One second. Number is same. Gender is not same. So now this is a masjid of city, the big.
Oh, so where I should match Al Kabiri?
Al Kabiri is Al Madinati. Al Madinati because
Al Madinati is masculine or feminine?
This is feminine. No.
So what about this?
Al Kabiri Masjid of the big of city. The
if
big,
Masjidu, this is Masjidu, this is Al Kabiri.
But this is Masjidu is Masjidul Kabiri is Madaf Madaf.
Yeah, this is okay. But what Masjidul Kabiri?
Big masjid is
big masjid of Medina.
Of Medina, of city.
Yeah, you are right. And other case we can put the ta marbuta and then it can match with this. Very good. So we have to go for practice. Very important in the practice session that we have to revise again Mudaf Mudaf ilayhi rules, Sifa Mawsuf, and this is very important. Just repetition. Just we have to spend some time, and inshallah all the concepts will be clear. So we have to go for the breakout room for some time.